Great morning, Vita Nation! So today, we will talk about how to grow your team in First Vita Plus. Kasi, your team is one of the most important assets of your First Vita Plus business. Because syempre, we are a network-based business. Meaning, your success depends on how you grow your network or your team. So, how do we measure the success of your business here in First Vita Plus? Siyempre, you should have a big, malaki, active, gumagalaw, productive, kumikita na network or team. Therefore, if they are one of your most important assets o mahalagang bahagi ng iyong negosyo o pagninegosyo sa First Vita Plus, kinakailangan mo sila palagi na i-check, alagaan, i-nurture, or i-grow o palaguin. Papaano? Siyempre, you'll need these 4 kinds of meetings. 4 ang dapat mong gawin as a leader. Number 1, daily check. Pwede itong hindi face-to-face. Kasi you have to encourage your team or your network to send pictures or videos of all their daily activities. Araw-araw na ginagawa nila yung negosyo ng First Vita Plus. Pwedeng mag-create kayo ng group chat. Halimbawa ay Messenger, Viber, Telegram, WhatsApp, so maraming pupwede na maging platform. Okay? So, kung ako tatanungin nyo, you only have to require them like 5 minutes of their time per day. Kasi ibig sabihin nun ay 5 minuto lang naman ang hihingi nyo sa kanila para mag-post, ipadala doon sa group kung ano yung kanilang daily o pang-araw-araw na ginagawa para palaguin o magtrabaho sa kanilang negosyo na First Vita Plus. So, you have to keep it tight, keep it moving. Yun ang parang keyword doon. Number 2, weekly centering. Okay. So, kung ang number 1 ay daily check, ito yung chance to turn those daily checks or updates into forward motion. Bakit? Kasi kailangan na nilang pumunta personal, okay? Personal ito, face-to-face, bring them to the main office dito sa Santry. Or, kung malayo naman sa Santry, there are 44 product and satellite centers nationwide ang First Vita Plus. Bring them, let them attend official talks of First Vita Plus speakers. Ano yon? BDF, Business Development Forum. Number 2, yung ating HS o Health Symposium. Meron din tayong New Dealers Orientation or yung NDO. Since face-to-face to, it is also your chance na makausap sila. Okay, pwedeng round table lang ito, hindi ba kinakailangan na malaking space ang kinakailangan dito sa ating office. Marami naman tayong po pwede ninyo na upuan at maging meeting place, okay? So, review their activities for the week and yung daily activities nila. Katulad ng ginagawa nating MMA or their money-making activities. Ano yon? Kamustahin niyo yung prospecting skills nila, inviting skills nila, presentation skills nila, closing skills, follow-up skills, and duplication skills. Yun yung MMA natin na tinatawag. So, you have to exchange ideas, suggestions, comments, at ang maganda dito, you will only take like 45 to 90 minutes of their time every week para mag-meet up kayo dito mismo kung nasaan ang negosyo nyo at ang negosyo rin nila. So, dapat dali nila at makita nila kung nasan ba yung center ng kanilang pagnenegosyo. That way, naisip talaga nila o nasa kanilang mindset na, okay, this is my business, negosyo ito, at ito, pumapasok ako o pumupunta ako sa place ng aking negosyo. Yun. Number 3. Monthly strategic planning. Okay. So, ito yung zoom out, think big to decide better. Ano ibig sabihin? Kinakailangan mag-meet kayo para sa workshop, training, mentoring, kinakailangan din ng team audit. Ibig sabihin, ito na yung pakitaan o payabangan ng checks, ng results, o prospects list no? Dito na nyo i-compare kasi kinakailangan malaman ninyo ano ba yung po pwede pang improve o ano ba yung pwedeng mabahagi ng bawat isa o kahit ikaw as a leader, ano yung po pwede mong ipayo sa kanila o i-advise sa kanila para sa next month, okay, mas lumaki pa yung kanilang cheque. So kung ako tatanungin mo, they only have to dedicate 2 to 4 hours of their time every month for this kind of meeting. Number 4, and the last of all the meetings, biannual off-site meeting. Okay, so i-breakdown natin yon. Biannual, ibig sabihin 2 times a year or every 6 months. Off-site, ano ibig sabihin nun? Outside the office ang magiging meeting. Pwede sa resort, sa hotel, outdoor camp, retreat house, restaurants, basta hindi sa office or sa house, basta outside. Pwede rin ito yung time para sa inyong team building activities o kaya naman ay maging chance to celebrate achievements or recognitions or awards. The 6 months na naging maganda yung kanilang performance. Yun yung chance to celebrate their achievements. Okay? So, this requires para sa akin 1 to 2 days of their time. Kasi nga, twice a year lang naman. So, po pwedeng 1 day to 2 days na ito yung magiging activity nyo or meeting ninyo. So there, di ba, I always remind you that consistency is the key to growth. Yun ang susi para palaguin natin ang ating network or team. So these 4 powerful meetings, namely daily check, weekly centering, monthly strategic planning, and biannual offsite meeting are not just routines. They are your tools to stay connected, build strong relationships, and guide your team toward bigger goals. So remember, in our line of business, your success grows with your team. The more you show up for your team, the more your business shows up for you.